Apparently there's a cave around here somewhere. I don't know if I want to go inside, but Manu wants to go inside. I'm like, ah. Good morning everyone and welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys are okay and well, and welcome back to our Santorini Travel Series 2025. Today is my last day here in Santorini and my flight is at 5 p.m. going back to Heathrow. And we thought, you know what, we've still got about 5 or 6 hours to kind of spend in Santorini. What to do? Obviously we've got the flight to catch, which I will share with you later on in this vlog, but we thought, why not come to the Lost Atlantis Museum? It's an interactive museum, and for the first time I'm going to experience a 9D. I mean, I've heard of 3D, 4D, 2D, but 9D cinema I'm going to experience for the first time. So let's go inside here for a bit. I'll show you around. Not sure what else is there to see here, and then we'll continue with the vlog. So guys, we've just had a lovely experience at the Lost Atlantis Museum. It was a lovely experience. And you're probably wondering, why am I wearing a scarf in this lovely heat? It's because I've experienced the worst sunburn ever. It's going to get worse. And I thought, you know what, I need a cloth or some kind of material to cover it up, because the sun's really bad here. You know, when we first came here, it was okay, wasn't it, Manu? It wasn't that bad. It was cold, it was chilly. But within like a couple of days, the weather's just picked up. It's become really hot. But anyways, we've still got about a few hours to kill before we get our flight, and we're just behind the supermarket, so I thought, why not get some lovely ice cream, because I need something to cool myself down. I'm loving Santorini here. You know what, in the UK I've had this many times, but just the latte version. I can never find the cappuccino version. So here I'm having the cappuccino version, and then my favorite is a Dubai dessert. Again, I haven't been able to find these in the UK, but whilst being in Santorini, I think this is the third time I'm having the Dubai inspired dessert. But yeah, it's looking good. If you're a fan of pistachio, I think you're going to love it. By the way, if you are wondering where I am at this moment, then this location is called the Heart of Santorini. If you put the Heart of Santorini in Google Maps, it will bring you here. And honestly, you can see the full C shape, letter C, of the Santorini island. I'm loving this view here. Honestly, I did not realize that you can actually see the full island from tip to tip. So that's tip from there, from the bottom of the island all the way to the top of the island. And obviously this is in the formation of this island is in the letter C shape. So we were here somewhere in Fira for the first few days when we came for my friend's wedding, and then we went all the way there to Ia. That's where we stayed at the Mergio Suites. And look, you can see there's a cruise here as well today, which is parked over there. They can't come too close to the island because of the rocks. So they throw the anchor in the middle of the islands, so that then there will be a small boat that takes the passengers from the cruise all the way to where the cable cars are. So that is the actual Heart of Santorini. So people come here to this viewpoint to get a photo where that hole is. But honestly, to get to that point is such a dangerous route. Man, if you show them, look, you have to walk from all the way here. If you zoom out, you have to walk from all the way here to the Heart of Santorini. And that route is very dangerous, especially if you don't have grip on your shoes. So yeah, I wouldn't go there. I love the view from here. Look at the view. You can see Santorini at the back, you can see Fira. Lovely, lovely view, and you can really see the shape of the island. Apparently there's a cave around here somewhere. I don't know if I want to go inside, but Manu wants to go inside. I'm like, ah. It looks scary though. So it's a closed cave. Nothing much to see, but I wonder if the voice will echo. So we are here at the airport and we've just returned the car. So obviously guys, we were renting a car. Make sure you make a video of the car when you take the car, and then make a video when you return the car, because you don't want any extra charges being put on you after you've left, you know. So I've made a video of the car. He said he's happy with the car. So yeah, we returned it. Now we're going to check in, and we've got a couple of hours to spend here before our flight departs. I just saw this and remembered this lady from Ozark. She played the character of Ruth. Who's seen Ozark? Do comment and let me know. So our gate number is number five, and we've got about an hour or so to kind of spend here. There's no business class lounge, by the way, so we have paid for business class seat, but there's no lounge here. So think before booking the flight if you're going to come here via business class, because A, there's no lounge here, and B, the business class seat is not a proper business class seat. It's actually an economy seat. So the only perk that you're getting by booking a business class is basically you get the economy seats too, but the middle one is empty. So that's a perk. And you get a meal.
Yeah.
And you get a meal.
And cutlery, crockery.
Yes, the cutlery, the crockery is all bone china. Is that how you do?
Yeah.
So it's not plastic. So those are the only perks that you get. Honestly, if I had known all this before, I would have just come in economy.
We will shortly be landing into London Heathrow. Please check that your table is folded away, your seat is in the landing position with the armrest down and your seatbelt is securely fastened. If you're seated by a window and have lowered the blind, please return this to the open position for landing.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night.